Innovations in wet lab training. The authors have no financial interests.
Cataract surgery requires extreme precision, meticulousness, as well as advanced hand coordination and fine motor skills. There are a library of options available for surgical training: wet lab, skills lab or dry lab, and advanced mentoring. Human cadaveric eyes are ideal in size and dimension, as well as for best approximating the tissue feel. Conventional eyeball holders lack a reliable fixating mechanism that is essential for keeping the eyeball stable and firm during wet lab training. Thus, a novel device was developed at our institute, the Spring Action Apparatus for Fixation of Eyeball, or SAFE, consisting of a hollow iron cylinder with a small hole in the wall for inserting a spring action 5cc disposable syringe. When the eyeball is placed over the device, the syringe generates suction, drawing the eyeball into the cylinder, enabling proper fixation for wet lab training. Animal eyes, especially pig and goat eyes, can be very cost-effective for wet lab training. The lens thickness of a goat's eye is nearly twice that in humans, thereby allowing implantation of the human cataractus nucleus into the goat's lens. Once the goat's eye is mounted, a standard clear corneal incision is made, followed by a 5 to 5.5 mm capsulorhexis, initiated with the cystotome and completed with the capsulorhexis forceps. Part of the lens matter is removed using minimal phacoenergy and low vacuum settings to create a bed for the human nucleus obtained during manual small incision cataract surgery. The surgical wound is then extended to about 6 mm in size, and a frozen human cataractus nucleus is implanted in the cortical bed within the goat's capsular bag. The wound is then sutured, and the goat eye is now ready to be used by the trainee surgeon. Difficulty in procurement and limited availability of storage options for both human and animal eyes prohibit sequential practice in the wet lab. 3D eye models circumvent this problem. Three-dimensional printing has come a long way since it was invented in 1980. With cumulative improvements in the resolution, accuracy, cost-effectiveness, and speed of this highly customizable manufacturing process, it has become the future of medical education. We designed a 3D eye model using CAD software and marker bot replicator printer. The ABS material, an opaque thermoelastic polymer, has impact resistance and rigidity required for 3D printing an eye model. Mastering hand positioning and ergonomics are critical for stable and precise instrument manipulation to increase safety during surgery. To emphasize the importance of proper hand positioning, which is often underappreciated, we have employed a microscope-mounted wide-angle camera to record optimal hand positioning in ocular surgery. Video gaming for surgery has shown significant value in improvement of technical skills and its heightened situational awareness. Real-world OR scenarios can be embedded in the program for simulation. Though feedback sensation may not be perfectly realistic, the cerebellar training through reiterated movements is beneficial. Telementoring. Assessment of a student's surgery can be performed by experts across the world in an internet-based platform aptly referred to as real-time telementoring. It is cost-effective and enhances skill transfer, especially in remote, low-resource areas. It significantly lessens trainee travel time and length of stay to learn techniques in higher resource areas. Most importantly, patient safety is improved by overcoming the steepest part of the learning curve.